Today we're comparing the OBSBOT 4K to a MEVO Start. So this is the OBSBOT camera and I am using the OBSBOT microphone. So we're going to move to the MEVO. This is the MEVO camera with the MEVO microphone. Now I have another camera here, so it's going to be in the way. Now the MEVO is actually on NDI, so it is not on a USB cable like the OBSBOT is. And right now these are the two cameras side by side. You let me know in the comments which camera you think looks best. This is the MEVO microphone. I'm going to mute it and switch. This is the OBSBOT microphone. So if you let me know in the comments, video, which one's the best, audio, which one is the best. Two-part question. And that is going to be it for this video. I have to fix this, and I will catch you in the next one.